The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines for electrical installations in various environments. When it comes to wet locations and NEMA 3R rated enclosures, there are crucial considerations for maintaining safety and preventing equipment damage. The scenario involves running number 8 wire through PVC Schedule 80 conduit, with PVC pull boxes installed every 200 feet. 2 knockouts were drilled through the bottom of these vertically installed unmounted boxes. Each 1.25-inch PVC male adapter was connected using sealing lock nuts. The question is whether this setup is acceptable for wet locations and NEMA 3R ratings, especially since the entry point is at the bottom of the box. Generally speaking, the use of PVC pull boxes with knockouts drilled in the bottom is not acceptable according to the NEC for wet locations and NEMA 3R ratings. The primary reason is the potential for water to enter the box through these knockouts. This water ingress can then damage the electrical components housed within the box, leading to malfunctions, corrosion, and potentially hazardous situations. The NEC mandates that for wet locations, the pull box must be specifically listed for use in such environments. This listing signifies that the box has been tested and certified to withstand the conditions associated with wet locations, preventing water from entering and causing harm. In addition to being listed for wet locations, the pull box must have either sealed knockouts or hubs. Sealed knockouts are designed to prevent water from entering the box through the openings where conduit or other fittings are connected. Hubs, on the other hand, provide a threaded connection point that can be tightly sealed to prevent water ingress. When using knockouts, they must be sealed using sealing lock nuts or other approved methods. Sealing lock nuts are designed to create a watertight seal between the knockout and the fitting that is connected to it. This seal prevents water from seeping through the opening and entering the box. NEMA 3R enclosures are specifically designed to provide protection against rain, sleet, and snow. These enclosures are commonly used outdoors to protect electrical equipment from the elements. For NEMA 3R enclosures, the knockouts must also be sealed using sealing lock nuts or other approved methods. This ensures that water cannot enter the box through the knockout openings, even during heavy rain or snowfall. Furthermore, NEMA 3R pull boxes are typically designed with a sloping roof. This sloping roof serves to prevent water from accumulating on top of the box. While allowing water to run off the roof, the risk of water seeping into the box through any potential openings is minimized. In the described scenario, knockouts were drilled in the bottom of the pull boxes, which is not in accordance with the NEC requirements for wet locations and NEMA 3R ratings. This practice creates a direct pathway for water to enter the boxes, potentially damaging the electrical components inside. To rectify this situation, several options are available. Firstly, sealing the knockouts using sealing lock nuts or other approved methods is a viable solution. This involves installing sealing lock nuts on all the knockouts in the bottom of the pull boxes, ensuring a watertight seal. Alternatively, replacing the pull boxes with ones that are specifically listed for use in wet locations and have sealed knockouts is another option. This would involve removing the existing pull boxes and installing new ones that meet the NEC requirements for wet locations. In conclusion, when working with electrical installations in wet locations or with NEMA 3R rated enclosures, it is crucial to adhere to the NEC guidelines. Drilling knockouts in the bottom of pull boxes is generally not acceptable, as it can compromise the watertightness of the enclosure and lead to equipment damage. Sealing knockouts or replacing the boxes with listed and sealed units are essential steps to ensure safety and compliance with the electrical code.